Hello everyone, my name is Dion from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 full arch Lone Star door today. Alright guys, so we're on this Lone Star door today. This is 72 by 96 inch door, and that's measured from outside to outside, 72 inches. 96 inches is from the peak of the arch to the bottom of the threshold, okay? This is our first door, the Lone Star, that we're actually gonna have a standard screen in it. So this door automatically comes with a screen. You don't have to, you can remove it if you like. It's magnetic, or you can custom make a door without a screen also if you like. This is a 12 gauge steel door. It has foam insulation inside. This is so the door doesn't sound hollow or build up any kind of moisture inside the tubes. Another thing is this door, these are all solid picket, guys. It's got some knuckles on it, and these are all solid pickets that have been bent, heated, bent, and welded onto the design. This door does not have a kick plate. If you guys want to add a kick plate, you can on a custom order. This is an oil rub bronze color with frost glass and a screen. So this is what it's going to look like. The screen does darken it up a little bit, the glass. Again, the screens are magnetically put in. You can remove it during wintertime when you don't need them if you like, or you can just leave them on there. That's pretty much it. Let me flip this around, show you guys what this door looks like on the back side. Okay, so this door, I forgot to tell you guys on the other side, it comes in a single door. It comes in different shapes also, in a square top, regular arch, a mini arch, however you want to make it. Let me flick this, show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist the knobs, flick it over, glass opens up. This is all dual glaze 5/8 stick tempered glass. Okay, so this is a frost glass, so there's no visibility. There's different kinds of glass also available that we try to stock. These guys are magnetically put on. It basically just snaps off, snaps back on. Pretty simple. The screen comes off. Just grab it, put it back in. And by the way, these are all metal screens, so your cats and dogs can't go through it. Maybe, you never know. I don't know what kind of dog and cat you have, but my little chihuahuas can't. Glass opens up, closes. Again, all of our doors have roller catches. They come with roller catches on. That's to prevent the lock from breaking down over time because it's such a heavy door. Also, it allows you to add a iron handle if you like with a deadbolt on top, and we'll give you blanking place to block these guys out. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Oh, grease fittings. They have little grease fittings, so over time, if you need to put some grease in the hinges, you can definitely do that. And one piece threshold with the frame. So you install the frame, then you take the doors, male and female hinges, and you put them on. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next one. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the Lone Star showcase today. If you guys have any questions, leave us some comments below. We'll try to get those answered as soon as possible. You can also call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you.